Jai everyone. We are going to start today's class that is practical number 7. What is the aim of practical number 7 is to design electronic circuit for series and parallel combination of resistance. Series and parallel combination. This is your new concept. So we will discuss in this practical. Okay, what is the series combination? What is the parallel combination? Okay, so this is our aim to know about the series and parallel combination of resistance. Okay, first what are the components or material used in this circuit? 3 resistance of 10 k ohm. We can use 1 k ohm resistance, 9 k ohm resistance, 6 k ohm resistance, or 100 k ohm resistance, any one of them, but in this circuit we use 10 k ohm resistance. Okay, one LED light, one battery, one breadboard, and jumper wire if you need. Okay, so these are the components which we require to design this circuit. What is the procedure? So first, to know about the series combination of resistance, see this figure carefully. In the green box, the 1 resistance, 2 resistance and 3 resistance are connected in a series manner. So what is the unique identification of series manner, or what are the unique combination of connection of series combination? So that's the 3 resistance are connected together, and these are the junction points of the resistance. Okay, so these are the junction points. First one, second one. So this is the 1 resistance, this is second resistance, and this is third resistance. Okay, so these are the 4 points. The listen carefully. The second end of first resistance, this one is the second end of first resistance, it connected to the first end of second resistance. Listen carefully. The second end of first resistance is connected to the first end of second resistance. Again, the second end of second resistance is connected to the first end of third resistance. The connection like this. It means the end of one resistance and initial point of one resistance are connected together. Here also the end point of second resistance and initial point of second resistance is connected together. So in this type of arrangement, here we use 3 resistance, but we can use a combination of 2 resistance. This is also a series combination, because for a second end of first resistance and first end of second resistance, it means initial point and final point are connected together. Okay, so we can also use for the 4 resistance. This is the 4 resistances connected in a series manner. So this is called the series combination of resistance or series combination. Okay, so these are the series combination. So these 3 resistances are connected in a series manner. Okay, so for series combination, let's see the circuit diagram. This is the 9-volt battery, this is positive terminal, and this is negative terminal. The take your battery. The positive terminal of battery is connected to the first end of first resistance, and second end of first resistance is connected to the first end of second resistance. Second end of second resistance is connected to the first end of third resistance, and second end of third resistance is connected to the LED positive terminal, and LED negative terminal is connected to the battery negative terminal, and your circuit is complete. Okay, so this is the series combination circuit. Now we move towards our procedure, how to design this circuit on breadboard. Let's see the procedure. That is, connect the positive terminal of battery to breadboard. Take your battery and your breadboard, connect its positive terminal to the breadboard like this. Again, what is the second procedure? Is to connect one terminal of any resistance to battery positive terminal. ठीक है. So take your one resistance of 10 k ohm is connected to the battery, that in the same column of battery. Okay. So first end of connect the one terminal of any one, take your any one resistance and connect this one terminal to positive terminal of battery like this. Okay. Again, connect one terminal of second resistance to second terminal of first resistance that are connected in the same row. You make connection like this. Okay, this is the second resistance, this one is the first resistance, the second end of first resistance, and this one is the first end of second resistance are connected together. Okay. Connect one terminal of third resistance to second terminal of second resistance. This one is the third resistance and the second terminal of second resistance, and this is the first terminal of second resistance are connected together. Okay. Okay. So connected. Next procedure is connect the positive terminal of LED light to second terminal of third resistance. This is the second terminal of third resistance are connected, and the positive terminal of LED light. The positive terminal of LED light is and second terminal of resistance, and this one is the positive terminal of LED light connected together like this. Then again, the next procedure is connect the negative terminal of battery to negative terminal of LED light. You make connection like this. This is the second negative terminal of LED light is connected to the negative terminal of battery. Okay, clear? And now your circuit of series combination is ready and your LED will glow. Clear? So this is the series combination circuit. In this circuit of series combination, you note that the intensity of light is minimum as compared to your simple LED glowing circuit, because three resistors are connected in a series. So learn this concept. When more resistors are connected in a series manner, then your intensity of light will decrease. Okay. So why and how this happen? We read about this concept in your higher classes, because you are not able to understand the Ohm's law concept. We will discuss in your class 6 why the intensity of light will minimum or minimize when resistors are connected in a series. Okay. So this is all about your series combination circuit. Let us move towards our parallel combination of resistance. So first you note that what is the parallel combination of resistance. So first you see this figure in a green box. Three resistors are connected parallelly. Why we called the parallel combination? Because initial end of all resistors are connected at a single point, and final end of all resistors are connected at a one point. Okay. So initial point are connected together and all final point are connected together. So in this type of combination called parallel combination. So compare it with series combination. What is the difference between series combination and parallel combination? Okay. So think about it. So this is the parallel combination. You understand the concept? Okay. Reverse the video and see the again and again. You understand the concept of series and parallel combination. So let us move towards our circuit diagram. What is the parallel combination circuit diagram? This is the battery. This is the 9-volt battery. The positive terminal of battery is connected to the initial point of all resistance. The final point of all resistance are connected to the positive terminal of LED light, and the negative terminal of LED light is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So this is the circuit resistance. This is resistance 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram of parallel combination. Let us design this circuit on your whiteboard. how to design the circuit and analyze what is the intensity of light when we connect the three resistances in the parallel. Acha, you must note that one thing, this is also a parallel combination, okay, because this is for two resistance. We can add extra resistance. This is the three resistance. We can add one more resistance, four resistance, five resistance, and type of n resistance we can connect in a parallel manner like this. Okay, so let us move towards our procedure. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the breadboard. Make the connection like this. Okay, if picture is not clear, then take the help of your manual. Everyone have your manual, so read it carefully. Connect the one terminal of three resistance to battery positive terminal. Take your all three resistance together and connect all one terminals of all resistance together with battery positive terminal. Okay, connection like this. You make connection like this, and let us move towards our next procedure. Connect the second terminal of all three resistance to positive terminal of LED light. Okay, so make the positive second terminal of all three resistance and positive terminal, the positive terminal of LED light and end point of all three resistance are connected together in a same row. Clear? See your circuit diagram. Okay, connected like this. Next procedure is to connect the negative terminal of battery to negative terminal of LED light. Then negative terminal of battery is connected to the negative terminal of LED light. That end your LED will glow. Now our parallel combination circuit is ready. Okay, so this is the circuit for your parallel combination. Clear? So see carefully, the intensity of light will minimum, or intensity of light is minimum as compared to series combination. Clear? The intensity of intensity of light is maximum as compared to series combination. So first you learn the concept. In terms of intensity of light, first intensity of light is maximum at parallel combination, then simple LED glowing circuit, then series combination. Clear? So what is the decreasing order? Parallel circuit, simple LED glowing circuit, or at last series combination. At this parallel combination, intensity of light is maximum, then minimum as compared to parallel combination, but maximum as compared to or more as compared to series combination. Okay, and at last the intensity of light at series combination is minimum. Okay, so this is a decreasing order of intensity of light, and you learn about this concept, how and why this happen. You read about this in your higher classes in class 7th. Okay, so result, series and parallel combination. You know about the series and parallel combination of circuit. Okay, so what is the learning concept behind this? The series and parallel combination of resistance, how to increase and decrease the circuit current. Okay, and describe the concept of open and closed circuit. So first you learn about the second concept, increase and decrease the circuit resistance. If circuit have maximum current or more current, then intensity of light increase or proportionally increase. So the circuit current and intensity of light is directly proportional. When we increase the circuit current, then intensity of light will increase. So in parallel case, the more current flow in the circuit, then in simple LED glowing, and then series circuit. Okay, read this combination. So this is the concept of increase and decrease of circuit current. When we increase the circuit current, then intensity of light will increase, and when we decrease the circuit current, then intensity of light will decrease. Okay, it also describes you open and closed circuit. what is open circuit and what is closed circuit, it is already discussed about in your previous classes. Okay, so revise it carefully. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.